Welcome back to the channel. So cliche, I know, but welcome. Obviously you're at TXMD, and let me tell you what we're working with today. We are gonna dive in to the freaking Grizzly that we went and got not too long ago down in Houston. See, I guess really what all we're getting ourselves into. We're gonna dive right in. So let's just jump into it, boys and gals. Okay, so if you've been keeping up with this project, you'll see that we just went and got it down in Houston, again, not too long ago. Alan got this on a trade. He traded the old Blue Ranger, which we were going to do some stuff for the channel, and he decided not to do that, and he traded it for this. Again, if you haven't seen that video, or go pick it up, maybe over here. But anyway, yeah, here she is in the shop. We did end up getting a seat for it, which is right there. But yeah, so all of these plastics we've been seeing are just held together by zip ties. So we're gonna cut all these zip ties off, and we see the spaghetti-ness of wires in here too. We need to check the snorkels. I mean, we're gonna give this a once over. So we're gonna tear the plastics off, get the rack off, obviously, and just dive into this and see what we get. So with that being said, let's just dive into some time lapse of ripping everything off of here. Okay, so I'm not sure if you guys saw that, but obviously took the whole front clip off, but you know, the rack and all that, and there's this whole homemade snorkel pipe holder. Yeah. So yeah, obviously with that being said, the snorkels are homemade. There's nothing wrong with doing snorkels at the house, you know, if you know what you're doing, and I'm not gonna bag whoever had this and did this, because we haven't smoke tested it. Could be fine. But the fact that all of the elbows came right off the top of these, and then when we took the rack off, this whole section just popped right off from right over there. Oh man, yeah, I have no idea what we may have gotten ourselves into at this one. So this is definitely concerning. Oh look, more zip ties. Looks like those are holding the radiator on. So yeah, I don't know what the deal is with this, man. Why it's so many zip ties instead of the hardware bolting it back together. Oh man, well, we got our hands full with this one. So anyway, yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that real quick. Oh, and here, look on right here. So just some of the wiring issues. This is a big wire. I don't know if this is focusing enough, but this is a big wire where this bolt is. And it barely has like anything holding it. Let me see if this will help. This barely has like anything holding it going back to that. So whatever that blue wire is for, which, let's see, I'm gonna turn this lights off. Sorry. Okay, but yeah, this blue wire runs all through here and then up to this, which this is not factory. Those of you who have Grizzlies, or just been around Yamahas maybe your whole life, know that this is not from a Yamaha. The key, in fact, is supposed to go in the plastics down there, and it doesn't. For whatever reason, it's up here, along with electric fan switch, which that's a good sign that that works. And to be honest, these other switch, one of them controls the light and the other one does something else. I really don't remember what that guy said, but this has got to go. This needs to be done right. More zip ties. I'm hoping Alan will pull the trigger and get a new display, because that would bug the hell out of me personally. But Anyway, back to what I was saying. As far as wiring, I mean, that's already just the bad sign. But if we go around to the other side here, man, I mean, we got stuff just diving into whatever this is. This goes to the rock lights. Yeah, this thing does have rock lights on it, which they tapped right into the plastics. You know, whatever. That's not too big a deal. But you know, this is just going here, and then look at this spaghetti. Look at all this mess. Like, boy. We got stuff that doesn't even go anywhere. This goes to the switch, and then up to here. So this may be for the fan. Oh man. But yeah, I don't know if this is a factory placement. Get down in the comments and let us know if that's where the factory placement is. I'm sorry, that's not the battery. Silly me. The battery right here. If that's a factory placement for the battery, or if it's supposed to be back here. But I think this is where the factory airbox went. You know, back in the day, most manufacturers, I'm gonna say all, but most manufacturers, especially like the Big Bear over there in pieces, have the battery kind of where this area is here, and obviously the fuel tank's here. You know, it's obviously a lot different on newer machines. I get that, but with that being said, I'm not sure if that's a factory placement for that battery. Sure it is, but these snorkels definitely inconvenient to getting to the battery. So here she is in all of her glory tore down. We're not done yet. I'm gonna keep going, guys. I'll take you along with me. Let me get these snorkels out of the way, and I guess we'll just see what we see when we get there, man. Yikes. Oh, freaking pipe.
The whole pipe break?
Oh, fuck. Well, there goes that.
The elbow?
Oh.
No, yeah, it came on. I'm trying to film low. Yeah.
Film that belly, baby.
Oh, yeah. So you got it, baby. Hey,
Okay.
good job, honey.
So Alan's here now, as you guys hear.
Yeah. Hi, I'm here. Trying to get this pipe off. So we're gonna continue to take off the rest of this airbox, and I'm seeing, if you've been watching this video, you've already seen all the flaws that Justin's pointed out.
And they keep getting better and
more and more hilarious as we continue.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
Another one. Shout out DJ Khaled.
Okay.
Man. Oh my goodness.
No, that's gonna be a little more tough to get out and through.
It's loose out here. There's nothing holding that there. So
why wouldn't it?
Why you not come? Yeah, the other one on the other hand.
Let's just go into maybe some time lapse if that'll work.
It's been.
So we were trying to pull this out of that little hole there. As you can see, it's like a hole over here. And then we noticed that this piece here looks like it's movable. And
You may ask why that is. Well, remember how I told you earlier this entire foiler is held together with zip ties? I'm not kidding.
literally all with zip ties.
There goes a clip, but yeah, more zip ties. Just holding this display unit on. If you don't mind snipping that side up.
Oh no, this one's an actual bolt.
Aha! Aha!
But you could.
We could just
Just
hold on, if I
snap
can
it
get that clip back on there.
Oh fuck! What is this wire to?
That's to the fan, I think, or the
There you go.
lights.
Boom.
Who knows? It's gonna get fixed anyway. All right. So got that out of the way. I got to figure out what we're gonna do about this situation.
Hey,
here.
look! On the bright side, not zip ties.
It's probably where the hardware went that, bolted the plastics together.
I'm confused at why he did that though for one little passage.
Well, it blocks this off. I see that. And there's no airflow into that.
So where does
So it
the
just gets
original
us air.
intake go? From right there?
It was back here, remember?
No, that's not the air box. That's a storage box.
No, I think that's where the airbox went.
I don't think so.
I bet we can go pull it over there and look. Challenge accepted.
Let's do it.
Sorry,
Yeah, thank God we have a a actually well put together Grizzly to reference the entire build.
Sorry, Larry, you're not here to tell us no. Oh, airbox.
No,
or storage box. Look at all that airbox.
How does that even work if it's underneath the seat?
It's storage. You were right.
Oh, I was like,
surely you see what I'm seeing.
I didn't see all the way back in here. It looked like it went down, and I was like, oh, how does that?
Hey, you may want to add this to your list. I mean, a nice little underseat storage box would be good. Money,
Must only cost you.
Money.
Wait, so now I'm curious about where the fuck the. Oh. Oh, hold on. He's got this loose.
No, he doesn't. There's 2 trees holding it right there.
It comes up right here. That's really poor. It's just relying on that little scoop.
First off, I'm gonna have you put some respect on this. Is a Yamaha. I don't know.
What do you? So we've mostly tore down. The reason, I guess, did you already tell them in the? I don't review footage before we film. I probably should, but we needed to get access to this battery, and we couldn't get access to this battery really because all the homemade spa tube, all the plastics. So there's Lance.
Sir Lance a lot.
But on the bright news, the gamble that we took in trading our lovely Ford Ranger for this is that it you may have thought that this was a non-running POS, and you're wrong. It runs. So it's a running POS.
Yeah. So we had to throw that. Now that we had access, throw this on the charger, and now she's probably not going to start.
Right up! She's got all the check engine lights, but she runs. Oh, it's really loud.
We had to hit our standalone kill switch here.
Yeah, because kill switch is right
Here,
by your hand.
wouldn't
Makes
make-
too much sense.
But yeah, so I didn't want to let it run too long because it's redonkulously loud.
We could get fighter switches, like the jet ones. Oh yeah.
Centerpiece with the fighter jet switches. But yeah, so here she is in all of her glory. Running machine. What we plan on doing, we have a long laundry list over there on that dry erase. It's gonna take some time, but we actually have an idea of what we're planning on doing with this machine, and I think you guys are gonna think it's cool. It's already been done, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna kind of take a recipe that's already out there and make it our own, and then see how it turns out.
We're gonna pay homage. Hopefully it looks good. It's gonna be a little different, but yeah. If you've made it this far, here's our outros.
I hope you enjoy the freaking Yamaha. Stick around for this build series.
Yeah.
Also, I just want to touch base real quick. I know he said to the outros, but we're not there yet. This is in pieces behind me. If you made it this far, it means you're probably in Yamahas and Yamaha four-wheelers. The Big Bear's not done. We're about to get some stuff out on that. But anyway, yeah, made it this far. We appreciate it as always. And I guess now, you got anything behind the camera? Other than that sick merch.
Oh, this old thing that we've been advertising for the last 4 videos? Yeah, you can get some at our website right here.
But yeah, I think that's it. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Put in the comments what you think we should do, what you would do if it were yours, and all that good stuff. But anyway, hey, outros.
Yeah, that's right. If you are watching this and made it this far, we have new t-shirts. You may be asking, where can I get a t-shirt like that? At our store, where you can get nice hats like this.
You could also like this video if you made it this far, and subscribe possibly. Hit that notification bell. Check out some of our other content if you haven't already. Like he said, check the store. We'll put a link there. Yep. And then what else we got? Social media platform.
That's right. You can follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat. TikTok's supposed to be on there, but we didn't have a TikTok yet. But we have one now, and we're 11,000 strong, maybe more that this video's come out, and you followed us. So
be sure. Just check that right out. Go ahead and do it. I'm not gonna hit you if you do because that'd be a threat, but I really wish you would. See y'all.
I'm a little hurt that if you go back and watch our original video with the Brute and when we were snorkeling that, we thought we were geniuses by innovating and thinking that we were the first to do spot tube, and come to find out, somebody's done it.
Yeah.
Or the guys we got this from are loyal subscribers and they were like, man, that's a great idea. I'm gonna go with that one. We're pioneers, no big deal.